In this section, we're just continuing our study about exponents and focusing on negative exponents. So here we've got, let me remind you, remember the little formula we have, exponent rule, where x to the negative m is equal to 1 over x to the m, okay? The negative exponent brings it to the bottom. Well, that also works the opposite way. What if we had 1 over x to the negative m? The negative m on the bottom takes it to the top and makes it x to the positive m. So here we have 2 and, let's see, we'll leave the 2 on the top. X to the third will go on the bottom. Y squared will stay on top. And z to the fourth will go on top. Now, if anything was here we could cancel, we would, but I guess that's pretty much it there. For the second example, let's see, we have 3 over 9. And we have a to the 1, there is a 1 there, 1 minus 3. B cubed, there's not a b on the bottom. And c on the bottom, that would be c to the negative 1. 3/9 reduces to 1/3. We'd have a to the negative 2, b, c to the negative 1. And now we can arrange everything correctly. So on the top, we could put a 1, but I'm not going to worry about it. The 3 will go on the bottom. A squared will go on the bottom. B, since it has a positive exponent of 1, will go on the top. And c to the negative 1, since it's negative, c will go on the bottom. If I ever seem to be going too fast, you can always pause or rewatch. Okay, let's start again by doing the stuff in the parentheses here. We have 4 over 16, x to the 5 minus 1, and y to the 1 minus 4, and all that's going to get cubed. 4 over 16 reduces to 1/4. X to the 4th, y to the negative 3rd, cubed. We can cube here or we can cube after we put everything separate, but I'm going to go ahead and do it here. So we'll have 1/4 cubed which is the same thing as 1 cubed over 4 cubed. Then we have x to the 4th cubed, we multiply by 3, and y to the negative 3 cubed, so times 3. So that'll give us x to the 12th, y to the negative 9th. So on the top, 1 cubed is just 1. On the bottom, we have 4 cubed, which is 64. On the top, x to the 12th stays, and y to the negative 9th, since it's negative, it comes to the bottom and becomes a positive exponent. So we have x to the 12th over 64, y to the 9th.